Hello all, I hope everyone having a great weekend. In today's video, I'm going to cover the top 10 entertainment activities you can visit while you are in Toronto. You could also say the must visit places in Toronto. Let's go to the video. Toronto offers a wide range of entertainment options for residents and visitors alike. Here are 10 popular entertainment activities in Toronto. First on our list is CN Tower. Visit this iconic tower, one of the tallest freestanding structures in the world, for breathtaking views of the city and thrilling edgewalk experiences. Royal Ontario Museum. Explore this museum, Canada's largest museum of art, culture, and natural history, featuring extensive exhibits and collections. Ripley's Aquarium of Canada. Immerse yourself in the underwater world at Ripley's Aquarium, home to thousands of marine species and interactive exhibits. Next on our list is Toronto Islands. Take a ferry ride to this island, a group of small islands offering beaches, bike rentals, picnic areas, and stunning skyline views. Art Gallery of Ontario, AGO. Visit the AGO to admire its vast collection of Canadian and international art, including works by renowned artists. Entertainment District. Explore Toronto's entertainment district filled with theatres, music venues, restaurants, and nightclubs, offering a vibrant nightlife experiences. St. Lawrence Market. Wander through this Lawrence Market, one of the world's best food markets, where you can sample local delicacies, fresh produce, and artisanal goods. Distillery Historic District. Visit this place known for its charming Victorian-era architecture, art galleries, boutiques, restaurants, and craft breweries. One of the must-visit places in Toronto would be Toronto Zoo. You can spend the entire day in the zoo, one of the largest zoos in the world, showcasing a wide variety of animals from around the globe. Last on our list would be the live performances. Catch a live performance at one of Toronto's renowned theatres such as the Royal Alexandra Theatre, Princess of Wales Theatre, or the Four Seasons Centre for the Performing Arts. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like and subscribe. See you on the next video.